You see, because Blakka talk about the
loving part,
the loving
and the
thing,
breakup and thing.
the man go find a whole heap of tune that sound like that was the source of the inspiration. What do you think, Blakka? You think
Definitely.
I love you for just one thing? What the other
Yeah,
song?
man.
Yes, Blakka, over to you.
He certainly put his heart in his music and sing a whole heap of breakup songs. You know, because that is how Alton was never a violent man, was never into fighting or physical violence. You know, he would put any anger, any angst, any hurt that he was feeling into his music. For me it's a wonderful template for an artist to model, in that, speak to your art, and if you even want to be bad man, sing bad man song, don't go practice bad man behavior. So
Yeah.
and I think that's certainly, there's a St. Lucian writer who say legacy is an acronym, and legacy really mean let every generation after celebrate you. And Alton certainly has done that with his
Phenomenal.
music.
Repeat that again. Let every generation
After celebrate you.
Amazing.
Legacy.
Amazing.
And that's what Alton did with his music. Yeah, man.
Well, I will say this to you.
Yeah.
On the circuit here, people who follow the music will tell you Alton is without question the greatest voice that come out of Jamaica. Mark, you have someone where we tell you, say, Dennis Brown. We don't get another discussion. Eh?
And Alton say is Slim Smith.
There you go.
Alton himself says Slim Smith is the biggest voice him think out of Jamaica. So it's all a matter of our own subjective choice. And if you ask my father, him can sing better than Alton. Him and Irving.
Your father is a comedian too, right?
No, my father and BBG was the Flames.
Oh, yes, from the fabulous, yes, Alton and the Flames.
Yeah.
In fact, because we have some, listen, me have a man who play the music inside there. Me have mad for fire him, because me have to talk to the boss. Because once he start to play the tune, him nobody have no regard for anything. The tune gone with him.
The tune, the music, tell the story.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Hear the thing about it, Blakka. I can't disagree with him at all, because the music is really the story. And you are making that point that Alton basically wrote his life into his song.
Yeah.
You want to know who Alton Ellis is, what were the things that were impacting him. This is a man who is about peace, love, harmony.
Yeah.
That's what you're getting from his song. I am trying to figure out which real protest song came from Alton's creative pen. Can't figure them out.
Dance Crusher.
Protest, no.
No, but Dance Crusher is not a protest. It was an...
It was admonishing the bad boy then.
There you go. It was an admonition.
Yeah. In fact, Boss B, the name of the man, Boss B was the bad man that was seemingly targeted by the song Cry Tough.
In fact,
what about Deliver Us?
Deliver Us was a
plea to God to help.
Plea, yes, a plea. But before you respond to the Deliver Us thing, Busby, Derek Morgan spoke about that. He said Busby came to him as a bad man. You're right, and say Derek Morgan need to write a song and sing a song about him, celebrating him as a bad man. And him say he was one then way more runway too, because him a plan for runway. Because he can't afford to write a song for Busby, because then it will mash up his career. And him say the next man and him get a news say Busby dead. Someone hold him and knife him. And him say, why him don't know who to tell thanks. But him know that Busby, if him did write that song, his career would have. So you are absolutely, say you're remembering us about for a man where if you're a young youth, you're not bad at all. Yes. But to come back now to Deliver Us. The songs that we would look at, because these are some seminal songs. the message, Deliver Us, these are the songs that, and I think Deliver Us, he did that for Lloyd Matador, right, Garth?
Yeah.
Yes.
Matador Daily. He, after spending a lot of time with Coxsone, I think eventually became a little frustrated, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. But Deliver Us this was 1970. Jamaica is heading in the wrong direction. 10 years after independence, nothing nah go on. Agree?
Yeah.
And so the unemployment, particularly amongst the youth, unemployment around a good 29, 30%. Some people in the country making money, but the majority of the population are not going anywhere. And again, the bad man thing is taking even deeper roots. And so Alton Penn, Deliver Us, recorded with Matador. This was 1970. Yes, 1970. We're going to touch that, Blakka. We're almost up on a break. So let's run Deliver Us and we're going to come back. I want to hear from you. I threw a little thing in front of you there, some nuggets.
Yeah.
Alton's influence on you as a young man and the culture, the music, and where we are. Let's play Deliver Us. We'll go to the break, and then we're going to turn the floor over to you.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.